to this video on Introduction to Flutter Utilities. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify the key Flutter utilities. You'll also learn about features of Flutter utilities such as Flutter DevTools, Flutter Inspector, Dart Analyzer, Flutter Doctor, and Hot Reload. In addition, you'll be able to illustrate the application of the Flutter utilities using the example of debugging a to-do list app. As a mobile application developer, you may want to enhance the Flutter development workflow to help ensure you build high-quality applications efficiently. By understanding various Flutter utilities, which are a set of tools and features, you will be able to debug, optimize, and streamline your development process. Flutter utilities are a set of tools and features that enhance your Flutter development workflow. The key Flutter utilities are Flutter DevTools, Flutter Inspector, Dart Analyzer, Flutter Doctor, and Hot Reload. Let's dive deep to understand each of these utilities in detail. One of the key Flutter utilities is Flutter DevTools, which is a suite of performance and debugging tools specifically designed to analyze and optimize Flutter applications. This utility includes several key features. It provides a widget inspector that allows you to inspect the UI layout, visualize widget hierarchies, and diagnose UI-related issues. This tool helps you understand the structure of widgets and how they relate to each other. This utility also provides a timeline view, which helps you analyze the app's performance over time. It helps identify any performance bottlenecks or issues that may be causing slowdowns in your app. It further provides a memory profiler, allowing you to monitor your application's memory usage. It helps detect and fix memory leaks or excessive memory consumption, ensuring your app runs efficiently. Finally, this utility provides you with a performance view, which offers insights into your app's overall performance, allowing you to optimize and enhance user experience. The Flutter Inspector is another key utility which provides a detailed visual representation of the widget tree for inspecting UI layouts. This utility allows you to perform visual debugging by helping you inspect the UI layout and visualize widget hierarchies. It is useful for diagnosing any UI issues and understanding how different widgets are nested. The utility also enables you to perform layout inspection. You can see how widgets are positioned and how they interact with each other. This helps you fine-tune your UI design and fix layout problems. The next important Flutter utility is Dart Analyzer, which is a static analysis tool that checks your Dart code for errors, potential issues, and coding style guidelines. It allows you to catch bugs early by analyzing your code for common mistakes and issues. It improves code quality by enforcing best practices and style guidelines. This utility integrates seamlessly with your IDE, providing real-time feedback as you code. This helps you fix issues immediately and maintain a clean code base. Proceeding further, Flutter Doctor is another command line tool that helps in checking the Flutter environment and identifies any configuration issues. It allows for environment check by providing a comprehensive report of your setup, highlighting any missing dependencies or configuration issues. This helps ensure your development environment is correctly set up and ready for Flutter development. This utility acts as a diagnostic tool to troubleshoot problems by giving detailed information about the state of the Flutter environment and suggesting solutions. Hot Reload is another core utility of Flutter that allows you to view the results of your code changes instantly. It provides instant feedback for any code changes and speeds up the development process by preserving the app's state while injecting new code changes. This enables rapid iteration and testing, allowing you to experiment with different ideas quickly. This utility also keeps the current state of your app so you don't lose progress or need to restart the application when making small changes. This is useful for UI development where you can immediately tweak designs and see the effects. Now let's look at a use case to see how these utilities can be used in a typical development workflow. Consider the example of debugging a to-do list application. The first task is to use the Flutter DevTools. As you build your to-do list app, use the widget inspector to visualize the widget tree and ensure the UI structure is correct. You can use the timeline view to analyze the app's performance and identify any bottlenecks that might be causing slowdowns. Using the memory profiler, you can monitor memory usage to detect and fix memory leaks or excessive memory consumption. The next task is to run the Dart Analyzer regularly to perform static analysis and catch potential issues in your code. This helps maintain a clean and efficient code base, reducing the chances of runtime errors. After running the Dart Analyzer, the next step is to use Flutter Inspector to diagnose layout issues and perform UI debugging. For example, if a widget is not appearing as expected, you can inspect its properties and see how it fits within the overall layout. The next step in debugging the application is to perform the environment check using Flutter Doctor. Before starting development, you should run Flutter Doctor to ensure the development environment is properly configured. This helps avoid setup-related issues that could disrupt the development workflow. Finally, as you make changes to your to-do list app, use Hot Reload to see the results instantly. This speeds up the process of refining the UI and implementing new features. To conclude, Flutter Utilities provide a comprehensive set of tools that enhance your development workflow. By leveraging these utilities, you can debug, optimize, and streamline the Flutter development process. In this video, you learned that Flutter Utilities are a set of tools and features that enhance the Flutter development workflow. The key Flutter utilities are Flutter DevTools, Flutter Inspector, Dart Analyzer, Flutter Doctor, and Hot Reload. Flutter DevTools is a suite of performance and debugging tools specifically designed to analyze and optimize Flutter applications. Flutter Inspector is a utility that provides a detailed visual representation of the widget tree for inspecting UI layouts. Dart Analyzer is a static analysis tool that checks Dart code for errors and coding style guidelines. Flutter Doctor is a command line tool that checks the Flutter environment and identifies any configuration issues. Hot Reload allows you to view the results of your code changes instantly.